Hey, it's Tom from Tom's Toons. Today I just want to show you how easy it is to cut in a table base or a pedestal base into the vinyl floors and new plywood from PontoonStuff.com. We're reusing an old table base here on a boat that we just laid brand new tan teak vinyl flooring in. We did new plywood. It's a 2001 aqua patio, but it was time for a refresh. So this boat, what I do on every boat when I'm gonna reinstall things like the captain's chair, things like tables and pedestals, is I draw myself a little map of the boat. So in this case, what we have here is this back corner seating. If I were oriented, it'd be this way. This is our port side, and I've measured out 17 1/4 to the center of the hole, 19 from this back bench to the center, and that's where I came up with this center hole dot right here. You can see I've drawn on with a Sharpie. Measure 10 times, cut your hole once. So in this case, what I'm gonna do is take, this is a large hole saw, but it's just about the right size for this base mount. And I'm gonna start my drill bit right in the center, nice and slow, so that when the teeth of the hole saw grab, things don't go wild. If I line that up, we're just gonna get it started. And I should mention, this hole saw is nothing fancy. This is actually a Harbor Freight tool. It's made just for wood. That's where we use it only, but it's gonna go through this no problem. So what I'm gonna do is just take my time nice and easy. We're gonna go through the vinyl and then you'll see it grab into the wood. And you'll see me do a very soft rotation as I'm cutting, kind of like this, and that's going to help clear out the sawdust. It's also going to help keep those teeth cutting in. We're almost there. And I'm always careful, this is going to be hot, so I'm not going to set it right down on my new vinyl floor where I might be able to melt into it. It's never happened to me, but I don't want to risk it, so I'm going to set it on my clipboard or set it up or off the boat. We'll clean this up and then we'll drop our base right in. And part of what I wanted to show you with this is how nice and clean of a cut we get. So it cuts right in, it goes through that top layer of vinyl. You might get a little bit of fraying there, but it doesn't catch or grab or pull like carpet. And then it's a nice clean cut through the wood. And when you glue your vinyl down correctly, that's not coming up. You can see me peeling on that. That's glued down well. That's using the kit from PontoonStuff.com. Now we're just gonna drop that table base in, line it up, and in this case, we're gonna run some heavy stainless wood screws down in. That is why I wait to cut my holes out. In most cases, I wait to cut it out until we've got the vinyl back down so I can make one nice clean cut through and get everything back together. You could trace your old boards and cut them before you vinyl it, but I just want to show how easy it is to cut after vinyling, especially if you're redoing your whole configuration of your boat and you're going to cut in new holes for fishing seats, tables, or anything else. Easy to cut through, easy to work with. Zero maintenance. We're gonna vacuum this off, hose it off in the middle of the summer. This floor is great. It's so easy to work with. Give it a look at PontoonStuff.com and let us know if you have any questions.